Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome here if you're new. Today's video is going to start the series of my spring cleaning, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. And if you do, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So first, before I start deep cleaning the living room, I'm going to go ahead and get this kitchen tidied up. So now we're moving on to the living room. Both of my boys are obsessed with this giant fake spider, and just wait until you see this upcoming clip. So this is the new vacuum that I was talking about in my last video. It came in the other day and so far I am loving it. Roar! Roar! I can do with the spider roar! I don't think so, no. Luke?
Peace.
Alright, so after all that cuteness, let's get back to cleaning. So now I'm going to just start by taking everything out of this shelf, or cabinet as you would say, super messy. All of the DVDs are just like strung out everywhere, so I'm gonna get it organized. This Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner is the same that I've used in my previous videos. This is just lemon verbena. Alright, so this looks way better than it did before. So after cleaning today, I think I'm definitely going to order one of those covers that you can use to hide all of the cords hanging down from your TV. I think it would make this space look a lot more neat. So I knew behind my TV stand had to be bad, but this is really bad. I'm putting all of the trash and toys and whatever else might be back here in this bag so I can sort through it later. I noticed that the trim back here was really dusty, so I went ahead and wiped it off. Next, I'm moving on to this couch, and I'm going to start by just taking off all of the pillows, and then I do run the vacuum really quickly over top of the cushions because, as you can tell, there's some larger crumbs that I wanted to get off first. So if you guys haven't noticed by now, my new vacuum is a corded vacuum. I really wanted a cordless, but I was worried that I wouldn't be able to keep it charged. So before we move on, the last thing that I'm doing is just vacuuming these cushions down and spot cleaning them with a baby wipe for any spots that my boys have gotten, gross stuff on. So this is what I've vacuumed up so far just from today. So as you can probably guess, this sliding door only stayed clean for about 5 minutes after I wiped it down. These little crevices were really gross, so I encourage you guys that next time that you're cleaning or just wiping down your window, it takes 2 seconds to go ahead and spray this part down and get it wiped out, and the end result is so satisfying. Moving on to this last chair, and guys, I'm sorry, there's a lot of vacuuming in today's video. So I had to take a minute to clean out my vacuum real quick. All of the Easter grass kind of got caught on the brush, but the design of this vacuum makes it super easy to do. I just popped it out, cleaned it off, and then I put it back in. So here I've just laid out the Easter decor that I have. Nothing too fancy, but Hudson and I went ahead and decorated the house a little. These moments are exactly what it's all about.
There's only 1, 2, 3, and 4 left.
I hope that you guys enjoyed this video today and that you guys make some awesome memories this spring.